In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the background or theme of your Nintendo Switch. Now, since this process does require your device to be modded, I will provide the link to a separate video which will cover the modding process in whole. Likewise, if you do not currently have the Homebrew App Store installed, then you will also want to refer to my previous modding video, as it will show you how to install a hats pack. With that, the first step in this process will be to navigate to the Homebrew menu and enter the Homebrew App Store. Here we will search for the application titled NxThemes Installer. Once found, we will then click A to install. After the install is complete, we will head over to a separate device such as a computer and navigate to the following website linked below. Here we will click the Explore button, and within the drop-down located at the top of the menu, we will then go ahead and select Theme Packs. This will then display a wide variety of themes that are available for download on your Switch. Now for me, I'm a big Pokemon fan, and specifically I love the Pokemon Emerald game, so naturally this Rayquaza theme stood out to me. Once you found the theme that you like, you will then click into it and make note of the code that is given directly below the download button. With that code in mind, we can then navigate back over to our Switch and boot into the NxThemes Installer application that we previously downloaded. Under the Download Theme section, we will want to ensure that the Themezer.net is selected. Afterwards, within this Theme ID text box, we want to enter in that code that we previously made note of and click Search. This will then begin to download all the contents and pages that are associated with that theme that we were previously looking at. Once we see that all pages are present, we'll just want to ensure that every single one is selected, and then we'll click Download All. From here, we can just click OK and head back to the theme section, which should now display the contents of the theme that we just downloaded. Now, to officially install the theme, all we need to do is just click the Y button on each file listed, followed by the A button to install. After completion, all that is needed now is to simply reboot our device to solidify the changes made. Awesome, and just like that, we can already tell that this install is successful. And just to show you, when I log in, the theme is also on the login page. With that, you have now officially changed your Switch's theme. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.